Hello, in today's video we will be learning how to create a chart in PowerPoint. After we open PowerPoint, we need to select an appropriate template to use for our presentation. I'll select a generic one for demonstration purposes. The next thing for us to do is to select the new slide button under the Home tab. After this, we'll need to select the title and content slide, which is the middle option on the top row. In the middle of the slide, there will be 6 icons. Select the icon that looks like a bar chart. This is the option for inserting charts. Next, we will need to select the type of chart that we would want to use and click the OK button. We're going to be doing a chart based on how much money a few companies make in a year. So for this demonstration, we are going to select the clustered column chart. Next, we need to insert the titles for our chart in the Excel window that pops up. Row 1 is for the names of our companies. Column A will be for which quarter of the year that we are referring to. Next, we will need to enter our data. For us, this will be how much company A, B, and C made in quarters 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. Our chart will automatically change the y-axis to the correct range and will make sure that it's in dollars. After information has been put into the chart, we can close the Excel spreadsheet and click where the chart title for the chart will be located. Here, we can select what we want our chart to be called. If you click on the green plus sign to the right of the chart, you can see different chart elements such as data labels and grid lines. If you click on the paintbrush underneath the green plus sign, a user can change the style of the chart along with the chart's colors. Lastly, if you select the filters icon, underneath this, you can choose which data points and names show up on the chart. In conclusion, we now know how to create a chart in PowerPoint and edit its data and how to access some of the features the charts have to offer. Lastly, thank you for viewing this screencast.